Apakah ini burung ataukah anjing? Tidak, ini adalah burung pelikan Dalmatian.
Today that by day 2 they're already feeding themselves. So basically we just keep them in a climate-controlled brooder so that they're kept warm and moist. And then we feed them. Right now they're being fed 5 times a day. The Dalmatian pelican is a Eurasian species. It's the largest species of pelican in the world and one of the largest flighted birds in the world, and they're listed as vulnerable by the IUCN.